Cheers from Westeros. Once again, I'm back in the Iron Throne at 25 Lusk for Taste of Thrones. Welcome to Variety. We're back in San Francisco at 25 Lusk. This is another Game of Thrones and now House of Dragons themed pop-up restaurant. We've been here a couple times before. Shout out Donovan Friedman, the head director of all this theming and whatnot, for always hooking it up with the experience, but it's the Night King. Hey, you remember me, pal? We have some unfinished business, buddy. The boy himself, Jet, is with me.
Once again, I've returned.
This is a dinner experience. There's dragon eggs on the table. While being fully immersed, you can feast like you are the true heir to the throne. There's a taste of everything from King's Landing to Dragonstone to Winterfell. Curated and coordinated with head chef Matthew Dolan, everything is prepared to perfection. Can't forget the incredible assortment of cocktails and themed chalices and mugs. How's that bread? It's good bread. We had a bunch of different kinds of breads to start. Gougere, I don't know how to say that because I'm uncultured. I'm a big dummy.
Sit down. I'll bring it over.
There's one more Gougere, there's one more pretzel. It's the game of breads. There's one left of each. Which one will win? Alright, I'm gonna have the last pretzel because nobody wants it. Thank you. Thank you.
Sauce for the user.
We love a pretzel, don't we, folks? Nobody saw that. It's slippery, I can't grab it. It's so good. That is so good. All the dishes are themed to the show. They have fun names tied to Game of Thrones and House of Dragons. The menu is incredibly diverse, but manages to not clash and it all works together. Each course has its own story and a connection to some of your favorite characters. You can imagine the Lannisters or Targaryens sitting amongst you and either house would be pleased with all the offerings.
It's very good. I've never had crab before, but it's quite good.
Look at how cool these themed cups are. What is that?
Chilled monkey brains.
Chilled monkey brains. Oh, I love noodles. There's definitely the Indiana Jones part of this meal. Next, they'll bring out the snake and they'll cut it open. Sea snake's catch of the day. I forgot what he said it was. He did tell us, and I've already forgotten. Get in there, you rascal.
I was caught committing treason.
This is what happens to knuckleheads. Any man that must say, "I am the king," is no true king. As someone who rarely eats high-end cuisine, involving a pop culture entity like Game of Thrones and House of the Dragon makes it accessible enough for anybody. There's no pressure or pretentiousness. You get to enjoy fine dining in a fun, creative way with fellow fans. You're very sleepy.
That guy in particular. Who, me?
dessert. I always knew I was a dragon rider. I just had a natural affinity for dragons. I felt a natural connection. You know, every time I met one of these bad boys, we just seemed to, you know, I'm a dragon rider. No big deal. I just ride dragons, not, you know. Don't think just because you're taller than me, dude. I'll whoop you, dude. I will mollywop you right here, right now. On Stark. On Stark. Yeah. Close boobs dragons. I am Dylan Sesko of House of Life.
A good deed does not wash out the bad, nor the bad the good.
It's true, kids. It's true. He's not lying. He's absolutely correct.
I only speak the truth around here.
Yeah. And that's it for the Taste of Thrones Feast of the Dragons here at 25 Lusk in San Francisco. Another awesome pop-up restaurant experience. Come check this out. How was that?
It was wonderful. I thought it was great. It was very fun. It was very immersive. Good food.
There was people that didn't even watch Game of Thrones and they still had a great, splendid, amazing time. Me personally though, I love Game of Thrones, you know what I mean? I'm kind of a Stark guy. Kind of a Stark fella, you know? You can join as a member on this channel or on our Patreon for a bunch of bonus content, extra episodes, deleted scenes, all kinds of cool stuff. And thanks to everybody that's already been supporting. You guys are the best. Shout out Donovan Friedman, Theme Dream Productions, The Art of Flavor, 25 Lusk. This is super cool and I appreciate the invite. I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel and letting me be able to do cool things like this. So thank you. We have a whole playlist of cool immersive events like this. We got playlists of museums, historical places, tons of sports stuff. Please subscribe if you like a variety of things, a little something or other. Every video is something different. You never know what you're gonna get. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things the cool kids do, something or other tours. Now variety for life. House for life. First of his name. I've been chosen. That's what I do. I play guitar.
And I know things.
Here's our distinguished guest of honor.
Hey, this is hilarious